I want to ask you something simple. How is your health really feeling right now? Because if you're here, there's a really good chance that you know you need to move more. You're just not sure where to start. Revive 75 is a 75-day health reset created for real people, not athletes, not extremes, and not perfection. It's about rebuilding strength, improving heart health, moving with confidence again, and doing it alongside a community of people who are all in the same boat. I've created Revive 75 for a personal reason. A few years ago, someone close to me had an injury, and it was a wake-up call. Not about fitness, but about what happens when we stop moving, stop building strength, and stop looking after health as we get older. I've worked in fitness for over a decade, personal training, CrossFit, F45, and I've trained at a high level myself. But this isn't about that. This is about helping everyday people stay healthy, independent, and confident for years to come. It's not all or nothing. It's not punishment. It's a simple system that removes decisions. What to train, how often, and what actually matters for your health. You choose your path. Home, gym, or short daily sessions on the Daily Dose program, and everything else is guided. Here's what you can expect over the 75 days. Structured training that builds strength and heart health, walking, mobility, and recovery sessions built in, clear daily action so you're never guessing, and a community that starts together and supports each other all the way through. No pressure, no comparison, just progress. We give you insights into ways to recover, look after your body. We give you guide on nutrition. You'll get full access to the Revival training app, where inside you will have your daily workouts that you will follow, direct communications with me, your coach, as well as a guided Revive 75 program. You'll have video demonstrations for every movement so you're never guessing. You'll have community accountability so you'll support each other. Everyone's on the group chat who are all on the same mission, trying to support each other, offering out advice and guidance where they're going. You'll have weekly coaches check-ins with me, and I'll check in on you, make sure you're feeling good, have you deal with any questions or queries that you might have about the program or just general stuff. And most importantly, this is beginner friendly. We're not trying to push extremes or trying to hit PBs. We're just trying to get people moving more, because this is what we're about. Getting the everyday person moving more because it's good for their health. Maybe you'll come back from an injury. Maybe you've been advised by a doctor or health professional that you need to move more. This is for you. Or maybe you yourself know that you need to move a little bit more. That's what we're doing here at Revival. We'll guide you for 75 days. Revive 75 is about reviving your energy, your confidence, and your future health, one day at a time. If this sounds like something that you want to be a part of, I'd love to welcome you. Click the link below or send me a message and I'll get straight back to you with some more information. Welcome to Revival.